Are you looking for the best Shark vacuum? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Shark vacuum on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum. The Shark Lift-Away Deluxe Vacuum is a powerful upright vacuum cleaner that can deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with its multi-surface suction. Its lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod to clean under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. The vacuum cleaner also features anti-allergen complete seal technology that works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The upholstery tool makes cleaning pet hair a breeze, and the swivel steering allows you to easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. The brush roll shutoff feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning, and the 0.9 quart capacity dust cup enables you to have longer cleaning sessions. What we like: powerful suction, lightweight design, excellent for pet hair, easy to assemble and use, effective HEPA filtration. Number 2. Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. The Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner that is perfect for pet owners and multi-surface cleaning. It features a self-cleaning brush roll, lift-away functionality, anti-allergen complete seal technology, a pet crevice tool, and swivel steering for easy maneuverability. It is also equipped with an upholstery tool for cleaning delicate fabrics and surfaces. What we like: powerful suction, excellent pet hair removal, easy to use attachments, sturdy build quality, easy to empty canister. Number 3. Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. The Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus is a powerful handheld vacuum with 2 cyclonic air streams that provide strong suction and long-lasting filter and motor life. It comes with a detachable self-cleaning pet power brush that eliminates hair wrap from the floor, upholstery, and brush roll. The vacuum has an XL dust cup that tackles large cleaning jobs and is portable at only 2.8 pounds. The vacuum features a washable filter for easy cleaning and a clean touch dirt ejector for hands-free debris disposal. The lithium-ion technology ensures reliable performance and comes with a crevice tool and scrubbing brush to clean hard-to-reach places and remove stuck-on dirt. What we like: strong suction power, lightweight and easy to use, effective pet hair removal, convenient attachments, easy to empty and clean. Number 4. Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum. The Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum is a powerful and versatile vacuum that is perfect for pet owners. With powerful suction and specialized pet tools, this vacuum can pick up embedded pet hair on all surfaces. It is ultra lightweight and can easily convert into a handheld vacuum for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. The XL dust cup capacity allows for extended cleaning without interruption, and the LED headlights reveal hidden debris and pet hair around your home. What we like: powerful suction, lightweight design, easy disassembly and cleaning, versatile attachments, good value for price. Number 5. Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning machine that is perfect for homes with pets. With its incredible suction power, matrix clean navigation, and precision home mapping, this vacuum is able to clean your home thoroughly and efficiently. Its hands-free control and extended runtime make it a convenient and powerful tool for keeping your home clean and tidy. The Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and powerful cleaning machine. The Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum is highly recommended by customers who have used it. They praise its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system, which make it perfect for homes with pets. Customers also appreciate its precision home mapping, hands-free control, and extended runtime, which make it easy and convenient to use. Overall, the Shark AV2501S robot vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, reliable, and efficient cleaning machine. What we like: excellent pet hair removal, strong suction power, self-emptying function, effective multi-surface cleaning, reliable mapping and navigation.